Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make picks for the Masters London Playoffs. So go to Valorant and then go to the esports section, go to pickems, and now playoffs is open. My score is 70, so I really want this one, but I don't know. Let's make picks for it. All right, so we have G2 versus XLG. I'm going to choose G2 for this. And then EDG versus Foot, I'll choose Foot. And then PaperX versus Lev. I really want to choose PaperX, but Lev is scary. So I don't know. I'll do Lev. I'll put PaperX lowers because PaperX does good in lower brackets. So I've heard. Not that I've heard of, I know of. Okay, Heretics versus Vitality. I don't know. Let's do. Do I really want to put Heretics against PaperX? I don't know. Okay, let's just do Vitality here. And then Lev versus Vitality. I don't know. Okay, let's do G2 versus Foot first. I'm gonna choose Foot. Then for Lev, oh my gosh, PaperX versus G2. Wait, that's a banger. Let's do that. I don't, this is so like random, but okay, Lev versus Vitality. Let's do Lev. And then Vitality versus EDG maybe. And then here I'll do Vitality and then Paper X. And then I'll do Paper X. Wait. Let's do Paper X versus Foot. No. Versus, yeah, Foot. And then Lev versus Paper X again. I don't know how this is gonna go. I feel like Foot is really good too. So 13. Wait, what did I miss? I missed, oh, the winner, duh. I just want Paper X to win every Masters, so obviously I have to choose Paper X, but this is very random. I think I'm gonna change that like in a few minutes, so I don't know, we'll see. But that is how you can make pick'ems for the playoffs for Masters London. Let me know your picks in the comment section down below, I guess, if you want to. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.